We're asked what are the equations of the asymptotes of the hyperbola x plus 1 squared over 25 minus y minus 3 squared over 16 equals to 1. So I'm going to start by finding the center. And the center of this equation is -1 and +3. All right, now if you look here, we have a number with x and with y. So we can see that if we had x over 25 x squared over 25 minus y squared over 16 equals 1, we would know that this is at the origin. The center is at 0, 0. Okay, but this center is at -1, 3. So we need to write it this way. Y minus 3 is equal to plus or minus, we need to find the slope, and we'll put that here, positive or negative, whatever that slope is, and then x plus 1 here. To find the slope, we need to find b over a. B always follows the y. B squared is equal to 16. Take the square root of both sides, and b is equal to the square root of 16, which is 4. We're just going to take the positive values for now. A always follows x, so a squared is equal to 25. Take the square root of both sides, and a is equal to 5. Now we know it's positive or negative 4/5. Here's where we can put those positive and negatives back in. That's already written in our answer right here. So all we have to do is put 4/5 here. This is the equation of the asymptotes of the hyperbola. All right, now this question says that the center of a hyperbola is -4, 7. Let me get my pen. And one of the vertex or vertices is -2, 7. The slope of one of the asymptotes is 2. Now we know the formula for the slope of the asymptote is b over a. So b over a is equal to 2. Let's identify the center. It's right here. And I'm going to just kind of plot that a little bit. You kind of see where this is opening, in the direction of the y-axis or in the direction of the x-axis. Okay, so I'm going to move over to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be the center. -4, 7. And another vertices is -2. So go 1, 2, and up 7. So there's 2 units between the center and one of the vertices. So there's going to be 2 units in the other direction. Okay, so I just counted that. Okay, this is the x direction. So this is going to be our A. A is equal to 2 units. So we'll put that right there, and we'll solve for B. B over 2 is equal to 2 over 1. Cross multiply. B times 1 is B. 2 times 2 is 4. So B is equal to 4. Okay, now I think that we have everything that we need to do to write this in standard form. Okay, it's opening up in the direction of, we saw that by just sketching a graph, in the direction of the x-axis. So we're going to start with x, and it's going to be x minus -4. So that's going to be x plus 4 squared over a squared is going to go here. We counted that when we plotted it. A is 2. 2 squared is 4. We solve for b. B squared is going to go right here. B squared is 16. And then we'll put minus y minus, we'll get that y coordinate here, 7 squared. So this is the equation in standard form. X plus 4 squared minus y minus 7 squared over 4. Gosh, I said that wrong. X plus 4 squared over 4 minus y minus 7 squared over 16 equals 1. This is the equation in standard form. I hope that answered your question. If it did not, then reach out and I will follow up.